Never solder pipe again. 3 ways for easy DIY plumbing. While there are alternative methods to soldering pipes for DIY plumbing, it's important to note that soldering is still considered the most reliable and durable method for joining copper pipes. However, if you're looking for alternatives, here are 3 commonly used methods. Push-fit fittings. Push-fit fittings, also known as push-to-connect or quick-connect fittings, provide a simple and convenient way to join pipes without the need for soldering. These fittings feature a rubber O-ring or seal that creates a watertight connection when the pipe is inserted into the fitting. To use push-fit fittings, follow these steps. Cut the pipe cleanly and ensure it is free from burrs or rough edges. Mark the insertion depth on the pipe using the depth mark provided by the fitting manufacturer. Push the pipe into the fitting until it reaches the marked depth. To ensure a secure connection, give the pipe a gentle tug to confirm it is locked in place. Compression fittings. Compression fittings are another option for joining pipes without soldering. These fittings consist of a compression nut, compression ring, also called a ferrule, and a fitting body. Here's how to use compression fittings. Cut the pipe cleanly and ensure it is free from burrs or rough edges. Slide the compression nut and then the compression ring onto the pipe. Insert the pipe into the fitting body until it is fully seated. Slide the compression ring and then the compression nut over the exposed pipe end. Tighten the compression nut with a wrench until it is snug. Be careful not to over-tighten, as it may damage the fitting. Shark bite or similar push-fit connectors. Shark bite connectors are a popular brand of push-fit connectors widely used for plumbing applications. These connectors work similarly to push-fit fittings but are specifically designed for copper, PEX, or CPVC pipes. Here's how to use shark bite connectors. Cut the pipe cleanly and ensure it is free from burrs or rough edges. Ensure the pipe end is square and smooth. Simply push the shark bite connector onto the pipe until it reaches the marked depth on the connector. To remove the connector, use a shark bite disconnect tool by inserting it into the gap between the pipe and the connector and pushing the tool towards the connector while pulling on the pipe.